welcome back to SparkofVintage. My name is Cindy and I am the owner and head treasure hunter, and we are excited that you're with us today for the unboxing of my first Flippin Frenzy box. So Tara from the Reclaimed Ranch is my Flippin Frenzy partner this time around, and I am so excited because I adore Tara. I cannot wait to see what she sent. I took the tape off of the box. It is a very heavy one, but I have not unboxed it yet. So I wanted to do it with you on camera, and that way you could kind of get my reaction, and maybe you could send me some ideas of what to do with some of these items, because our next Flippin Frenzy will be in January. So be on the lookout for that. So I still have a few weeks to get ready, get together. We have a theme going. But what's in this box, I do not know. So let's take a moment and crack it open. Well, first off, Tara sent me this cutest little post-it note. Says, have fun with these goodies from Tara. Thank you, Tara. Cute little, of course, all the little packaging and everything. I will say it's a very heavy box. So oh, look at that beautiful adventures of a cottontail rabbit. She knows I love vintage books, so we are definitely going to find a place for that in our flip. We also have another beautiful vintage book, the Uncommon Traveler by Charles Dickens. A little clue to our Flippin Frenzy theme this year. All right, let's see what else we've got. I'm just like, you just never know what these ladies are going to send you. I love this. I think it's like a furniture foot. I would be scared to see how big this piece of furniture was, but look how amazing this is for a base or some kind of foundational piece. Oh, that probably took up half the weight of the box right there. With a cute little wicker basket. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. This gorgeous Pottery Barn clock. Oh, Tara, you spoil me, you spoil me. All right, let's see. We have some candles. Looks like a box of spritz candles. Okay, little white ones. All right. Ooh, I'm digging. We have a little masher. Like, you know, like a little metal masher. Okay. We've got a spring in our step. Yep. Okay, guys. Oh, look at this beautiful piece of wrought iron, this rusty crusty. Oh my gosh. If you ever get a chance to visit one of Tara's whatnot shows, you know she's got the best rusty crusty. Oh my God, I love this little Nomi plate. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, wow. We have some beautiful lace, very soft. Maybe a former curtain. My goodness, girl, how you do spoil me. Oh my God, and then lining the bottom of the box is just this absolutely amazing vintage music magazine with great advertisements, vintage music. Oh, I'm gonna have to think about what this theme is gonna be. And then I have one more item in here. I'm opening it on camera while we speak. Thank you for your patience, because I just cannot even, oh, she's a good wrapper like me. She loves to just wrap it and wrap it and wrap it. Okay, this is so fun. I just love it. Oh, it's a message in a bottle. I love it. Look at that. What could this possibly be? My goodness. So I have to pull an idea together based on our Flippin Frenzy theme and flip all of these items, or as many as I can. She sent me so many. I hope I'll be able to use them all, and try to decide what they're all going to become. So we get the opportunity to flip all of these items. We will have a playlist. It'll be a 2-day event, premiere event, where all of the people in Sonnet's Garden Blooms will be revealing all of their flips. First, what they got from their partners, as well as what they turned it into. So these are always a very popular event for us. I hope you'll join us for that. You can always watch the replay, and we'll have a players list as well. So in the meantime, I need to get my creative juices flowing, think about how I'm going to pull all of this together, and thank Tara so much for this amazing box. I am so excited. Okay, thanks again for watching. Stick around. I'll be doing some little sneak peeks and clues, but the big reveal will be coming up soon in January, so stay tuned for that. Thank you again for watching and being with us at SparkofVintage. We hope you'll hit subscribe so that you'll be alerted to all the upcoming videos. All right, I'm looking forward to a great 2026, and this is a heck of a way to kick it off. So take care, and we'll see you next week.